Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your pickup. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. When you click on your photo, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on edit profile. So then it's going to take you to your profile here. Then all you have to do now, just click on security here. When you click on security, it's going to take you to the next step here. Just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time here to open video. And you go down, so you keep going down here. And you come here to protection from subsystem here apps. Clicking this sign. Then like you see here, color show for us. That's mean enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.